Hello, it's Georgia Injury and Workers' Compensation attorney Jack Clay. Today I want to talk to you about independent medical evaluations, what they are, when we use them, and how they're used. We have many clients that have independent medical evaluations, and they happen very regularly. If you're facing one, or if you're an attorney and you have questions about whether or not you should allow your client to undergo an independent medical evaluation, you've come to the right place. Thank you for joining me. First, let's talk about independent medical evaluations in a workers' compensation case. Under the workers' compensation laws in Georgia, the employer can send you for an independent medical evaluation at pretty much any time they want, as long as they pay you mileage and follow the other rules under the statute. Sometimes we fight redundant or repeated independent medical evaluations. For example, if they want to send you to 3 back doctors for the same problem. But the law does favor the employers and the insurance companies in being able to send you for independent medical evaluations pretty much when and how they want. Second, independent medical evaluations for claimants in workers' compensation cases are different. Generally, as an injured workers' compensation victim in Georgia, you have the right to one independent medical evaluation that can be done either while you're receiving your weekly income benefits or within 120 days after receiving certain weekly benefits. The rules can get a little sticky, so it's important you consult with an attorney about this, but you want to be careful not to burn your one-time independent medical evaluation that's paid for by the employer. Sometimes your attorney or you may elect to pay for additional medical evaluations out of your own pocket, and that's fine too, but remember, you have one evaluation that the employer-insurer must pay for if you fall in at the right time and if your timing again is correct. Finally, independent medical evaluations in other types of civil cases are much different than workers' compensation cases. For example, we handle a lot of automobile wreck and truck wreck cases. Independent medical evaluations in those cases have to be approved by the judge or the parties. If you or a loved one has been injured and you have questions about whether or not you have to go to the company doctor for an evaluation or the doctor the other side's insurance company wants you to see, please call me for some advice and help. We are here to help you. We have convenient office hours, and we have handled over 1,000 cases involving serious injuries throughout Georgia. Thank you for joining me.